My name is Bianca, and I'm so glad you're here. If you clicked on this video, it's probably because you're curious about Nano Defense Pro and want to know if it really works, whether it's worth buying, and how it can transform the health of your skin and nails. So, stay with me until the end to learn everything you need to know and avoid wasting money on fake websites. What is Nano Defense Pro, and why is it revolutionary? Have you noticed that most creams and lotions only treat the surface of your skin? It's like trying to take care of a delicate garden using oversized tools. That's where nanotechnology comes in. With particles 1,000 times smaller than those found in regular products, Nano Defense Pro penetrates deep into the layers of your skin and nails, nourishing every hidden detail. Think of it as caring for your body with surgical precision. The benefits of Nano Defense Pro. Each drop contains a patented blend of nano ingredients perfectly combined to restore and nourish your skin and nails from the inside out. Nano Silver. Known for its powerful antimicrobial properties. Nano Curcumin. Helps reduce inflammation and irritation. Nano Quercetin and Luteolin. Essential for cellular protection and deep repair. Cape Aloe. Provides intense hydration and promotes cell regeneration. Natural and safe formula. Non-GMO, stimulant-free, and without harsh chemicals. These ingredients work together to ensure your skin and nails thrive like never before, leaving them healthy, strong, and visibly renewed. How to use and when to expect results. Recommended dosage. 1 bottle lasts 30 days. Continuous use for at least 3 months is recommended for visible results. Easy to use. Simply apply regularly and maintain a healthy routine. Special offers and exclusive bonuses. By ordering 3 or 6 bottles, you get free shipping and 2 amazing bonuses. The Skin Fix Files. Tips to treat skin conditions like psoriasis and eczema. Retail price. $55. Today. Free. At your expense. A guide to avoid costly mistakes in the U.S. healthcare system. Retail price. $54. Today. Free. Warning: 96% of customers order 6 bottles to get the best value and enjoy these exclusive bonuses. Beware of fake websites. Due to Nano Defense Pro's popularity, many counterfeit versions have appeared. To ensure your safety, the product is only sold on the official website. I've included the official link in this video's description, which guarantees free shipping, exclusive discounts, a 180-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, you can request a full refund. Caring for the health of your skin and nails doesn't have to be complicated, and Nano Defense Pro might just be the solution you've been looking for. With its innovative approach and proven benefits, it can discreetly support your self-care routine, restoring and nourishing what needs attention. If you're interested in learning more or want to give it a try, click the link in the description to see all the available options. That way, you can make an informed and secure decision without risking exposure to counterfeit products. Thank you for watching.